In the world of construction, steel binding serves as a critical backbone, providing strength, durability, and stability to structures. This process, essential to the integrity of a building, allows concrete to withstand the pressures and forces it may encounter throughout its lifespan. In particular, steel binding in one-way slabs is a fundamental aspect of construction that demands meticulous attention. To gain a deeper understanding, delve into the step-by-step process of steel binding in a one-way slab. The journey begins with the procurement of the right materials. High-quality steel bars are indispensable, chosen for their strength and flexibility. The diameter of these bars typically ranges between 8 and 12 millimeters depending on the load requirements of the slab. Next, the calculation of spacing between the bars takes place. This is crucial for ensuring the stability and strength of the slab. The spacing is usually 12 to 20 times the thickness of the slab, or less than 45 centimeters, whichever is smaller. The third step involves cutting the steel bars to the required length. The length should be according to the span of the slab and must also account for the development length, which is essential for the bars to properly grip the concrete. After cutting, bending of the steel bars comes into play. This process is done according to the design requirements of the slab. The bars are bent into the required shapes, typically forming a grid-like pattern. This network of steel bars, also known as a steel mesh, is then placed within the formwork for the slab. The final step in the steel binding process is the placement of spacer blocks. These blocks, made of concrete or plastic, maintain the necessary cover and keep the steel mesh in position during the concreting process. With the steel mesh firmly in place, the pouring of concrete commences, enveloping the steel bars and forming the one-way slab. In essence, steel binding in a one-way slab involves the careful selection of steel bars, the precise calculation of spacing, meticulous cutting and bending of the bars, and the strategic placement of spacer blocks. Each step contributes to the overall strength and stability of the slab, ensuring it can bear the loads and stresses it will inevitably face. Remember, the strength of a building lies not only in its visible components, but also in its unseen elements. The process of steel binding, though hidden within the concrete, is a vital part of a structure's integrity. This process, particularly in one-way slabs, is an intricate dance of precision and strength, a testament to the marvel of engineering and construction.